Some more problems. Dr. D weighs 184.6 pounds. What is his mass in kilograms? So 184.6 pounds, and we want to know mass in kilograms. So what's our wanted? We want to know mass, and in particular kilograms. So what data do we have? We got 184.6 pounds. So we're wanting to convert pounds to kilograms. So we need a conversion factor. We're not given one in the problem. So we'll have to look up one, and if you can find one that's directly pounds to kilograms, you can use it. But I want to use this one. I looked on the computer, and there are 453.6 grams equals 1 pound. And so this is going to sort of be our bridge conversion factor. We're going to go from pounds to grams, and then go from grams to kilograms. So we're going to start off with 184.6 pounds. That's our given. We want to set pounds up in our conversion factor so that it cancels out. So 1 pound is the same as 453.6 grams. So pounds will cancel. And then we go to the kilograms. So we'll want grams in the denominator. Kilo is an SI prefix that means 10 to the third. And so now grams will cancel, and we'll wind up with kilograms. And I get 83.73456 kilograms on my calculator. If we got the right units, kilograms, we need the right number of sig figs. So we start out with 4 sig figs, and we'll round this number to our answer to 4 sig figs. It's going to be 83.73, and the answer makes sense. If you also remember that there are roughly 2.2 pounds in a kilogram, so if you divide 184 by 2, in essence, you have something about 90. And so that's a plus or minus a ballpark. Right sig figs, answer makes sense, correct units. 3 things you always want to check at the end of a problem. The next one. A physician needs to prescribe a drug to a 225-pound patient. The dosage guideline is to administer 25 milligrams of the drug per 100 pounds of body weight. How many milligrams of the drug should be prescribed per dose? So we're after how many milligrams? What mass? So what data do we have? We got 225-pound patient, and we got 25 milligrams per 100 pounds of body weight. So our data, 225 pounds for a patient, and 25 milligrams is equal to 100 pounds of body weight. And so that's our other conversion factor that we're going to use. So that's our ratio. That's an equivalence. We'll be needing that. And the 225 pounds isn't a ratio. That's going to be our given. That's going to be our starting point. So 225 pounds. And we want to set up our conversion factor so that pounds cancels. So we're going to have 25 milligrams is the same as 100 pounds. Pounds divided by pounds cancels. That gives us milligrams. So that's going to be 56.25 milligrams on the calculator. We need the right sig figs, and so 25 is our limiting part of the problem. It's only got 2 significant figures. If we assume that the 100 is giving a defined quantity for us, and so let's round that 56 milligrams. So the answer makes sense. Right units, right sig figs. If it turns out that the 100 pounds is really the determinant in terms of the number of sig figs, that our answer would have been 60 milligrams. So depending on how you want to look at which of those, if that 100 pounds is an exact number or not, one of those two answers will be your best answer in terms of sig figs.